Let's see how you can send or receive data from external sources. At Landbot, we're constantly working on improving the way we integrate with other tools. Here, you can see all the integrations we offer at the moment. For this example, we will use the Google Sheet integration. Very useful to instantly send or receive data from a spreadsheet. But before setting up the integration in Landbot, we'll go ahead and create the spreadsheet in our Google account. We want to capture the information of the user so we have it at our disposal when we need it. We will create the respective rows where the information will be stored instantly. When we're done, go back to Landbot and inside the block, connect it with your Google account. Select the respective sheet we just created and the action to perform. We want to create a new row every time a new user interacts with the chatbot. We need now to set what values go to the respective columns. Once we're done, click on Apply and the integration will be ready. If we test the bot and put the Google Sheets side by side, we will see that once the conversation reaches the Google Sheet integration block, the information will be sent and stored. We recommend you check our documentation to learn how to do it with other integrations if that is your case. So that's how you send and receive data from external sources.